Hello, my fellow water sports enthusiasts. It's Gina with WTI, and I know that you're looking for ways that you can get out on the water as quickly as possible. And I've found that this SUP pump from Peakpick has been the perfect addition to have inside my board bag. It's lightweight, compact, but it gets the job done quickly. My friends and I generally ride longer boards, wider boards than normal, and they require 15 psi. So I can inflate one in about 10 minutes, which is really good for the size of board that we ride. One of the great perks of using a SUP pump like this is that it can be hands-free. Once you set it, you can forget it and just walk away, and then it will automatically turn off once it reaches the PSI that you set it at. When you're done in the water, you want to be able to get your board deflated so that you can get it back in its bag and make packing up as efficient as possible. So I love that this, of course, deflates as well. You simply move the tube over to the deflation arrow and then turn it on, and it's gonna suck all the air out of your board so that it can roll up super nice and tightly. I think you're gonna be as pleased as I have been with the speed and the efficiency of this pump from Peakpick, and that's my point of view.